Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and reactivate your Roblox account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first thing what you would like to do is, let's say if you would like to reactivate your account, there are two situations you have aware of. One is if you have deleted unintentionally and if you want to reactivate, or if you are banned or reactivate. But there is a solution for that, for both. One particular thing you need is that you will go first of all your phone's browser. You're gonna go to your search bar and type in, simply gonna type in Roblox support and simply gonna search it up. The first search option that you will get is at this support Roblox. Gonna go ahead, tap on that option given, and then afterwards you're gonna go ahead and enter your simply gonna go ahead log in, or you can simply go ahead enter your information over here and gonna tap on this next option. So this will simply ask for you to, now you can simply gonna go ahead enter the information, your username, that is which one you want to reactivate. I'm gonna go ahead enter the username. You're gonna enter your first name and email address that is connected with your account. Again, you're gonna go ahead confirm that email over there. Afterwards you're gonna go ahead tap on this please issue details. Go ahead tap on this arrow icon. Now you're gonna choose your mobile type. Then you're gonna go ahead tap on this category. Here you're gonna choose account hacked or can't log in, and then over here you're gonna write in this description box if your account is deleted and you want to reactivate that. My account got hacked, not by me, unnoticeably. I didn't do anything, but it's hacked. Please help me to reactivate my account. If it's banned, then you're gonna again ask for my account is banned and unfortunately I couldn't see or I couldn't think of anything that I did for it to get banned. Please notify me regarding that issue, how I can recover or reactivate my account. Once you're done typing in the message, you're gonna tap on the submit option. Once your request is submitted, Roblox support will simply look it up and will send you an email regarding solution how you can reactivate. Simply follow the steps after explain over there and you will be able to reactivate your account. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.